Welcome back. This is Muzi Syed, owner of Certified Credit Consultants and DIY Credit Help. So the last component of the credit score is inquiries. Inquiries are basically every time you go and apply for credit anywhere, Citibank, Capital One, credit card, Cons, Best Buy, anywhere. They pull your credit and your score goes down 5 points every time. There's a difference when it comes to applying for mortgage and for cars. For cars, you have 30 days, you can apply for credit and it'll be counted as one credit pull or one inquiry. For mortgages, it's 45 days. Other than that, credit cards, store cards, Macy's, Best Buy, every time 5 points. And believe me, it doesn't take very long. 6, 7, 8, 10 of them, and your score is down 30, 50 points. So be careful, be very careful. If it's essential and you have to apply for credit, go ahead and do it. The hope that your credit is not bad, that you won't get rejected. Cons tends to is a little bit more liberal that way. They approve more people. Not necessarily. I don't know. I don't have a cons account, but that's what I've heard. So be careful. Be very, very careful, because every time you do that, it will drop your score 5 points, and it stays on your credit report for 2 years. However, it stops affecting your credit after 12 months. Too many inquiries are not seen favorably, either by the bureaus or by the loan officers, because that sends a signal that this person is desperate for whatever reason. So don't do that. Be very careful when it comes to applying for credit. Again, this is Muzi Syed. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, my Facebook pages, Certified Credit Consultants and DIY Credit Help, and ask to apply to join my Facebook private group, Credit Education. Thanks. Ciao.
Support us by clicking the subscribe button, because it means a lot to us. To the next video. See you.